my loves. Who says hello and then does something else?
We got our burnt. Oh God. I was trying to be so cool. I failed.
Take two. We got our Urbanity order. So if you'd like to see what's in this Urbanity box, then just keep watching. Have I mentioned this is one of my favorite boxes? Because for me, getting sunglasses, like I have a shit ton of sunglasses, but I love sunglasses. Like I will, if it's not sunny outside, totally rock sunglasses on top of my head as an accessory. Alright, so first we got these earrings. They're kind of cute. I don't typically do big earrings, so I would have preferred a necklace, but they sent me a necklace 2 months in a row, so I can't say too much. They are cute, huh? Yeah, I can make these work. Is that oh, I've been needing a pair of silver and black. I've never, ever been disappointed with a pair of sunglasses. You know what's funny? If I saw these at like Nordstrom's or Belk or wherever, I would never pick them up or even try them on. But y'all, I look so badass in these. And they're comfortable and they fit my face perfectly. Urbanity, I love you. You did good, as always. I will link Urbanity down below. You got to check. If this is like the 3rd month in a row you've seen me open this box and you've seen these cool, trendy, badass sunglasses for pennies and you've not checked them out yet, I don't know why not. I don't know what you're thinking. Oh, I do kind of like them. Alright, my loves, until next time.